does the pig say?
Cow.
What does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo!
Yeah.
Yeah. What does the cat say?
No.
What does the dog say?
Moo. Moo.
What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What does the monkey say? What does the owl say?
Ooh, ooh.
What does the frog say?
Reek. Reek.
Yeah. Does the sheep say?
Ba.
Yeah. What does the rooster say?
Go.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Uh-oh, what? That's his wing.
Yeah.
Yeah. You turn the page.
Yeah.
What does the horse say?
Nee.
What does the goose say?
On.
Hunk, hunk, hunk. Good job. What does the turkey say?
Dap.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Yeah.
What does the lamb say?
Ma.
Bah. Good job. What does the dove say? What does the elephant say? Oh, they sound similar. You want to turn the page?
Yeah.
What does the bird say? What does the sea lion say? Art, art, art. Good job, Kate. Yeah. What does the hamster say? All done.
Okay.
Yeah.